Just prepping up the new trailer for the upcoming shut. This will be the first shutdown we've rolled this trailer to. It's our new trailer IWT3. It's been in business now for 15 years, and everything we've learned we put into investing into the future for the business. This trailer is the culmination of 15 years work. It's also a lot of the lessons we learned out of our last trailer IWT2, which many people have come to know. Yeah, this is a big step up, big improvement on that trailer. I'll show you around inside if you like. Come on in. Get some more light on this situation. Alright, so this trailer here, we've got extra storage in it. We've done some changes. This trailer is a workshop, office, crib room, all in one. It enables us to roll to site. We're set up and ready to go within about half an hour normally. We carry all our own tooling. We rarely require extra tooling from site. We try to be as self-sufficient as possible. Got all our own calibration equipment, crib room equipment, etc. So we can normally maintain a crew of about 8 or 9 guys out of this trailer without the need of an extra crib room. Core values on the wall so all the boys know what we stand for. But as an example, just some tooling. There you go, there's our 1/2 inch socket stuff. Got some spanners, rolls of spanners. So try to stay as self-sufficient as possible. This is our cutting tools, drills, etc. It's locked for travel. Laptop and computer bags, other sockets and stuff, so you can see. So twice as many toolboxes on this side and this one, and a bit more extra storage compared to the previous trailer. And again, it's the small stuff that matters too. Yeah, the nuts and bolts and little bits and pieces that when we're on a shut takes a guy half an hour to chase up. They're right here. What else? We've got our Cal gear, beautiful Druck UPS 3, great little loop calibrator, field communicators. Some pneumatic fittings, thread tapes, etc. We've also got our majority of our pressure calibrators and other bits and pieces in here. We're still waiting on a few more things to arrive. So we've got our Drucks. This is all our low pressure Drucks. So as you can see, we're well equipped in this trailer. We've got our high pressure gear down the bottom, a couple of high pressure 612s, nitro pack. We've got a low pressure calibrator. We've got a barometer there for if we were doing absolute pressures. And we've also got our printer. So being an office as well as a workshop, we can print all our JSAs out as we do them. We can print out our Instro West Cal sheets as well, which we do off our Instro West iPad app. Actually, here we go here. So we've got an iPad app there. This app allows us to do most of the calibrations we ever need to do, we can document here. So it's all fully documented. We see the calibrations drop live. We've also got our supervisor's desk. Whoever's supervising the shutdown sits in here. We're all set up with Surface Pros, so that plugs in there. So essentially this widescreen becomes a twin screen, plus that we've got 3 screens, great for spreadsheets and Gantt charts. So we can monitor the progress during the shutdown. We can see our cals drop live. We can print them out. Yeah, hopefully this is a better setup than the previous trailer. Made some improvements here. Also been a crib room, all in one. Got our facilities here, so we've got our own fridge. This fridge is compressor driven, not absorption, so a good step up from the last one. It's dust sealed, so we're keeping a lot of the dust out. Got our drinks fridge for the guys. Got our own tea and coffee facilities and everything there packed away at the moment, ready to travel. But yeah, this is the new IWT3. We're very proud of this one. Very happy with how it's come up. Hopefully you'll see it on a site near you soon.